Good morning, everybody. Mr. Gabriel here, checking in on your last week of Civics. I just wanted to reiterate that Unit 1 and Introduction to Civics should all be completed in terms of the assessments that were due, which were discussions, quizzes, and assignments. Looking ahead at Unit 2, you have some kind of note building and history of Canada's political system to complete here. Nothing to hand in, but it will be tested later on in the week in a test. You should then move into levels of government, take a quiz on whose responsibility is it. There's an activity in the module that will help you take this quiz. And then there is the level of government issue. There's a separate video within that module to help you out. Moving into the system of government and members of government. This assignment you want to stay away from copying and pasting. Please put words in your own writing. Don't copy and paste, as you will lose marks. In this assignment, you will be discussing the Canada's political system, how we voted in government, and then you'll be researching people in your area, so in terms of wards, ridings, etc. So please make sure you're getting the key terms done and the assignment done, which will help you with the unit test, which is down here. And then so please make sure you complete the above mentioned work before taking this unit test. So that's all due by the 23rd, I believe. So please work ahead, make sure you get it in, as Unit 3 is actually my favorite unit because it deals with laws and how the government makes laws, but how we enforce laws and different rules for adults and young offenders. So please make sure that you are working through this. It's all a bunch of readings in terms of there's some key terms here for you to kind of research and read about and learn about. And then some cool kind of questions like what happens when you're arrested, what rights do you have, young offenders, are they different, are they the same, what is different, what is the same, those types of things. What happens when you do get convicted of a crime, what factors into sentencing, punishments, etc. Then you have a little legal advice assignment. You can read up on that when you click on this, but essentially you're going to be giving advice on somebody who commits what's called an indictable offense and a summary offense, in terms of what they should expect in terms of their rights and responsibilities in sentencing. Okay, and then it ends with the law and order test. I'm advising you to maybe finish that by Thursday. That way you can work on the ISU, which is due no later than Tuesday, July 30th at 9 a.m. Please adhere to that deadline, as the course site will actually close and you will no longer have access to it, and the modules or Dropboxes to hand in your work. Okay, so if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. But big week ahead. Make sure you're staying on task. Make sure you keep an eye on that ISU and work hard. And any questions or concerns, please email me.